The G.SKILL Trident Z5 Neo 64GB RAM is a top-tier memory module set, optimized for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors or later, ensuring a high-performance computing experience. This kit comprises two 32GB modules, providing a total of 64GB DDR5 memory with a speed of 6000 MT per second, which is perfect for heavy-duty tasks and gaming. The memory kits come with an EXPO profile that, when enabled in BIOS, allows the user to reach the potential EXPO overclock speed, subject to compatibility with the hardware. The sleek and streamlined aluminum heatspreader design, adorned with CNC highlight strips along the curves, not only gives the Trident Z5 Neo an aesthetic edge, but also aids in effective heat dissipation. The Trident Z5 Neo is designed specifically for AMD X670 Series Chipset with Ryzen 7000 Series CPU or newer, making it the ideal choice for building a high-performance AMD system. The memory kits are designed to boot at the SPD speed at default BIOS settings with compatible hardware, ensuring smooth and stable performance.